What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So in the last video you saw me blow out the car. Still stinks like old man. But today, wet sanding, polishing. So we're going to start with the bonnet and then I'm just going to blast at the whole car, let it go. See if we can get this 25-year-old paint popping. Up at the unit. George from I Like Detailing, working on a nice A7. Let's stop talking, let's start grafting. Let's go. So test square at the front is gonna be let's do wet sanding and polishing. Back square, just polishing, and then we'll see what that compares to over here. Oh, I forgot which squares which. Wet sanding, polishing, leave it as it is. Let's get it.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
So I've just done some test pieces. I used 2,500 grit, cutting compound and polishing compound, and it did absolutely jack squat. So after seeking some advice, we're gonna go for 1,000 grit, whether it fucks the paint or not. I want an excuse to wrap it anyway. So I was at that for a quick minute. This is the side, untouched, nothing. Obviously you can see the line already. So I'm not happy with it just yet, but we're still working it. Obviously there's still some sanding marks in there, but if you look at the color difference, obviously it's ridiculous. So I've took 2,500 grit to this side of the car. Obviously it is all now scratched, hazy. This half the roof. So let's see what happens when we polish it.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
guys, welcome back to day number 2. So as you can see, we're starting to get a bit of gloss. There's still a lot of scratches. So what I'm trying to do at the minute is just cut, try and get down to some smooth lacquer, and then I can polish and refine it after. So I'll show you what the paint looks like on half the car right now. So as you can see, I've been cutting this quarter. Doesn't look, as you can see in the light, there's still some scratches and marring, but in terms of reflectiveness, we're getting really close. So this is what I'm starting with. This is where we're up to right now. Huge difference. Day number 3. So today we're gonna bang out this side. So this hopefully is the last day. So let's talk more action. Stop messing about, let's get it done.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I'll never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture it.
Hey guys, so that is it. The Golf has come up shiny, but we've still got lacquer peel, we've still got rust spots. So we're gonna do some big changes on the Golf. I would show you the car outside, but it is raining today. So I do some cinematics of the car inside. As always, subscribe. And next week, big changes for the Golf. As I said, I'm not happy with the rust spots. I'm not happy with the lacquer peel. So we decided to switch it up. See what happens next week. Peace.